Make a flower pot, please.
Okay. Wait till the end. I hope you like. I am using air-dry clay, also known as foamy clay. Try it, you'll love to make your own handmade flower pot. Now I'm making soil. With the help of pin, I am giving it soily texture. These are copper wires. Double a thin wire, then twist it. I'm using it to make flower stem. Place the twisted wire on green clay and roll them together. Now I'm making petals of sunflower. If you like this idea, then subscribe for more. Drop a cute comment. Now making leaves to add details. You can suggest your ideas. Thanks for watching.